Hey guys, what is up? It's been a hot minute since I last vlogged. I just wanted to vlog today because today is the day before like the full moon. I went outside and I couldn't find the moon, which is like weird, but tomorrow is gonna be my first moon like ritual thing that I'm gonna be doing. And for some reason, I'm feeling so good right now. I'm mentally coming back to where I needed to be, and that's why for like the past month or so, I didn't vlog at all, and I was just going through so many changes. Yeah, I'm finally feeling so much more like myself. It's so weird to be like sitting down here and filming this. Since the last time I filmed, I gained a little bit of weight like on my face, and I've been bulking. I made a little bit of a mess, so I'm gonna show you guys cleaning that a little bit up. And yeah, and I'm just gonna share this wonderful night routine with you guys, and hopefully this will relax you, get you in the groove. Like, I don't know what it is, but the energy that I'm feeling right now is so different. I'm just feeling a surge of positive energy. I am feeling so good. I'm gonna stop saying that because I'm sitting here for like 8 minutes talking about how good I feel, which is always a great thing, but I'm saying the same thing, so I mean, whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This video is honestly for me. I just felt like sharing it, and I hope this is fun to watch, you know? I mean, I'm gonna stop saying hope, okay? Like, enjoy. And okay guys, so I have some pretty flowers. Flowers always brighten up my mood, so if you're feeling down, like, get yourself some fresh flowers. And I have a candle burning right here. This is a candle that I got from Urban Outfitters. So pretty. I think it's gonna like, here, I'll just show you, and I can always relight it. Yeah, well, you can blow out your candle that way, but it's got this really pretty lustrous what is this, tassel? So such a nice touch. And this one is in lemon chiffon. It really tastes, I can taste it. Really smells like a lemon pound cake. Yeah, that's why it's called lemon chiffon. And when I got it, I thought it was gonna be really fresh, but this is definitely like a sweet, comforting scent. I think this is perfect for summer and fall. Yeah, it smells like a lemon pound cake from Starbucks. A little bit different. I think a little tinge sweeter. I don't smell the lemon as much, but it's a really nice candle. If you're into candles, you should check this out. Tissue and stuff that it was wrapped in, and oh my gosh, so I used the pink one of this. So cute. I didn't know it was gonna be these tiny little cups, but it's perfect. I have an espresso machine, and I took 2 little shots from this. It comes with a pink one too, and pretty much I used 1 shot, but I refilled it with like the remaining of the shot. But yeah, it's just the second time it's diluted coffee. Yeah, super cute. So I'll wash these. I think this is perfect if you don't really like to drink a lot of liquids in the morning, but you want caffeine. And oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. Rainbows and stars. This is light baby blue. These are pink stars. So cute. I got these both on sale from Fringe. So that's the brand, Fringe. I love to get their notebooks from Home Goods. They have so many of their good notebooks there at such a discounted price, but I got some journals from their website. So Fringe actually has their own website as well. And then I also got these for my mom. Her birthday is coming up like a month from now, so I got this little jewelry dish for her because I got a necklace for her birthday. So yeah, and then just mess. I gotta break down that box too. Just got a little bit of dishes. Little coffee shot, so cute. Love it. Yeah, just some things, and then I actually brought these out because I wanted to create the ambiance for my restroom. I'm gonna take a shower, so I wanted to burn candles while cleaning just so that I can kind of make the restroom smell nice before. And I always trim the wick a little bit because you see the top part right there, that is burnt. So if you burn that straight away, you're gonna have some burning smoke. So yeah, I just like to trim it because I don't really like to inhale burnt smoke. So trimming the top is good for that. And I got this ring light. This is actually where I was sitting. This literally came in the mail not too long ago, so I'm really excited to try it out, but I need a tripod. I thought it was coming with the tripod, but you need to connect it with your own tripod, and yeah, we'll see. And the ring light is like so much bigger than I thought it would be, which is cool, but also I thought it would be really portable. So I'm gonna put this away. That's where the little bag is for. And then putting away my smoothie maker too.
It's the time to unlearn all those barriers that all fall down now. There's nothing in the way when they say take it slow. A knowing smile starts to grow. Our moons have moved the seas. I have no fear left. I'm fearless. Watch me go. There's no key to the cage for a bird like me, but I am free. My song, the wind of wings, and we are born with the right to live this life. Our heads held high. We're singing from the skies. I have no fear left. I'm fearless. Watch me go. Flying for a higher.
I'm gonna roughly just write down a few priorities that I want to get done tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, so I want to like really restart, clean, and yeah, just have a good day tomorrow. So tomorrow's the 2nd. Okay, I think I'm good. So at the most, like, I'm getting these things out of my head and having them written down so that tomorrow, like, I don't really have to think too much about what I'm gonna do. I mean, you could always write a list the next day. Honestly, I remember more things that I want to do the next day, but like I said, doesn't mean you have to do like everything that you write the night before and the next day. Like, just prioritize. These are just small things that I'm thinking of right now. Doesn't mean it has to get done tomorrow. The day. I'm gonna use this tonight to take off my makeup. I actually just finished setting my intention for the School of Prosperity. I think I mentioned that I was too sleepy for it, but I just ended up doing it anyway, and I spent quite some time doing it, but anyway, felt so much better. So finally, it's like 11:30ish. I'm getting a shower now, so yeah, this guy is really good with taking off like all your makeup, and it doesn't sting my eyes, so I like that. And then I'm also using this guy. This is the Pink Cloud Creamy Jelly Cleanser. Recently got this. I'm just gonna use this in the shower, but I really like the texture of it. It is really soft on the skin. It's kind of like slippery and just really gentle feeling. Like, it doesn't lather like the most out of all the cleansers I've tried, but it's a good one. Like, I actually really like it. The scent is quite nice. So yeah, I'm gonna use this and take a shower. My candles have been burning and they smell so good. Hey guys, good morning. It's actually afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock now, and I forgot to film the outro yesterday, so I just wanted to come here and say I hope you enjoyed the video. And you know, I feel so much better today. I have gotten a lot done, and it's only 1. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get most of what I wrote down yesterday done. I'm gonna go do some yoga. If you haven't checked out Boho Beautiful, she's like super popular. Her classes are great. I'm gonna do like a 20-minute yoga flow. I'm just feeling good about the full moon today. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.